New drive shaft is here. It has been lengthened 2 extra inches. Let's get her in. All right. Now it's installed. And we have proper engagement right there. Very nice. There we go. Let's take her for a rip. See how she goes. Before I bring this down, I'm draining out the windshield washer fluid that I left in it over the winter. And then I'm gonna put my Alky in it, prime the pump. Hopefully all is good. And then I can start driving. And beat the brakes off this thing. It's been a long time coming. Okay, this would be the 3rd time that I've filled up this jug underneath the hood. Every time I do that, I come back to my 5-gallon reservoir that I have in the trunk from Racetronics. It's black anodized, and the anodized makes alcohol safe. I've had this in the car for about the last 8 years, no issues. So now with Julio's Alky tester, see how fast we can fill this up. Yeah, that's coming out like crazy. I do this a couple times just to get the pump going before I actually put the gauge on it to see what it's doing. So this would be the 3rd time that I'm filling this up. Okay, next time I'm doing this, I'm going to go and put the gauge on it and see what we're getting for pressure. Now with the gauge on it, she's squirting out. Not good. Gotta fix that, be back. Here we go, we're back. And she's tagged. Yeah, this pump is really good. Okay, we're good. Alky system is primed and ready to go. Yeah, buddy.